321. The War Threat. Chalcedon Report number 330, January 1993. Lenin favoured any and all kinds of wars because he recognised the revolutionary nature of warfare. During a war, the respect for life and property gave way to an urge to smash and destroy. Moral standards in one sphere after another, including the sexual, are surrendered to the demands of the moment. All these stabilizing routines of everyday life give way to the demand for victory. In the process of dehumanizing the enemy, we dehumanize ourselves. Names given to the enemy peoples during a war are expressive of contempt and hatred. Not surprisingly, war accomplishes some sorry things. First, it erodes religious faith and morality. Second, it centralizes power in the hands of the state, so the pre-war freedoms do not return. Third, it centralizes the economy and weakens the middle and lower classes, who also do virtually all the fighting. More can be said, but this is enough. R.E. McMaster Jr. has predicted, from the 1970s, the likelihood of war by the mid-1990s. John Ralston Saul, in Voltaire's Bastards, The Dictatorship of Reason in the West, 1992, has called attention to the fact that we have everywhere a permanent wartime economy which is devouring the countries. It began when men like Robert McNamara in the United States and others elsewhere put their national governments in the business of overproducing armaments and selling the surplus to other countries. To enable third world countries to buy the weaponry, foreign loans were given. These countries are now unable to pay even the interest on the loans, but the buying continues. On top of that, 27 third world countries are now arms producers. As a result, there are now more than 40 conflicts around the world and an average of 1,000 soldiers killed daily. Various figures are given as to the extent of the governance of the economy by the arms business and associated research and development involving our major universities and scientists. 40% of all US scientists, 75% of the Russian, which control the economy beyond the armament plants and universities. From 25 to 80% of modern economies is directly or indirectly war-oriented. This was not a goal of military leaders, but of businessmen placed in charge of the military, men such as McNamara. Our quote-unquote solutions now in every sphere are wrong, and they seek, quote, resolutions, end quote, in terms of a Roman peace, such as Carthage experienced. As the economic crisis deepens, the political answer may well again be war, and war leads in one way or another to revolutions. There will be no changing this evil course of events without a return to Christ and to Christendom. The political answers have given us the most disastrous century in all of history. Our course as Christians must be to oppose interference in foreign conflicts, as George Washington counselled, and to proclaim the gospel of Jesus Christ and his peace to all the world.